Dubai, a city with the world's tallest buildings, million-dollar cars and mainstream culture. But Tiger Beer isn't about that, and it doesn't want to be. So how could a beer brand like ours grow in a city like this? As part of our campaign, we teamed up with an up-and-coming music producer and created an original music track that united like-minded people and turned them into loyal Tiger drinkers.
My name is Suerte, and I'm basically going around trying to capture the sounds.
We collected raw sounds from the streets and neighbourhoods in Dubai to create a one-off music track that brought to life a different side of Dubai.
The sound of the guy chopping. That stringy sound. Just a car beat. Getting somewhere.
The unique track captured the imaginations of both fans and the media alike. Played across nightclubs and radio stations across the city. It was even featured on MTV Arabia. We then gave Tiger drinkers a copy of the track with every purchase and made it the anthem of our campaign. The results? More than $80,000 worth of free media coverage, 39% increase in brand awareness, 51% jump in brand engagement. DJ Suerte is now a signed artist, and Tiger Collab has become a platform for up-and-coming artists.